Palak with you. Experts says that if there were more trees planted, there would probably not be such a shortage of oxygen. They believe that unless there is no oxygen in your environment, you cannot produce oxygen for the need in any plant. People trees. At this time, the crisis of oxygen has arisen due to COVID-19 in the country. COVID-19 continues to wreak havoc in India at this time. Oxygen deficiency is leading to the death of many patients. Amidst all this, there are reports of airlifting mobile oxygen plants from Germany and making oxygen with the help of fighter-led technology. But in both these options, the most important thing is how much oxygen is there in your environment. Let us tell you about the trees that generate the most oxygen today. There are 6 trees born for the environment. There are the 6 trees that you will often see somewhere. If there are no trees in your garden, then plant them immediately. They will keep you healthy and your environment too. Ficus tree. People in Hinduism know it as Bodhi tree in Buddhism. It is said that Lord Buddha attained enlightenment under this tree. People tree can grow up to 60 to 80 feet long. This tree gives the most oxygen. That's why environmentalists rapidly asked to plant a people tree. Banyan tree. This tree is also called the national tree of India. It is also considered very sacred in Hinduism. Banyan tree can be very tall and the amount of oxygen is very high. Neem tree. Another tree which has many benefits. Neem tree. This tree is called an evergreen tree and according to environmentalists, it is a natural air purifier. These trees absorb polluted gas such as carbon dioxide, sulfur and nitrogen from the air and release oxygen. The composition of its leaf is such that it can produce large amount of oxygen. In such a situation, it is always advisable to plant more neem trees. This makes the surrounding air always pure. Ashoka tree. Ashoka tree not only produces oxygen, but its flower keeps the environment enriched and enhance its beauty. It is a small tree whose root is very straight. According to the environmentalist, by planting the Ashoka tree, not only the environment remains clean, but also its beauty increases. Ashoka tree keeps away every diseases in the country. Arjun tree. It is said that the Arjun tree, Arjun tree. It is said that about the Arjuna tree that it is always green. It has many Ayurvedic benefits. This tree also has a lot of religious significance that it is said that it was the favorite tree of Mother Sita. By absorbing carbon dioxide and contaminated gases from the air, it converts them into oxygen. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon.